Welcome back. So I want to teach us the strategies for $300 trading Capita. If you didn't understand how we arrive at all these strategies, I will advise you to go and watch the previous video from coin selection down to $100 trading Capita, to $150 trading Capita, to $200 trading Capita, to $250 trading Capita, and here we go. We are on $300 trading Capita. Remember, you can only use all this from $100 to $500 to trade a single coin. We are doing that because of the dip, so that whenever there is dip, we'll continue to make money from the market no matter how. And that is why we are preparing for the dip, so that when there is dip, we have money to trade the market. Now we stop at 20 ADA. We are making use of ADA. As we can see the trade setting. The trade setting is still the same. The only thing that we are going to change is the margin call limit and the distributed and take profit allocation. That is just two things that we are going to change. Now we are going to increase margin call limit because we want to increase our capital with 50 from 250 with $50. So we are increasing it to 23 instead of 20. We are typing 23 here. 23. We click on save, and after that we click on trade setting. Do it again. 26. Make sure that it is 26 that is there. Click on save. After that, click on trade setting. You need to check that. Make sure you check that it is 26, and make sure that you check when you click on margin configuration, everything end at 26th call. That is when you will know that you are on track. Okay, and then you need to click on margin configuration. Our 250 trading capital end at 20 call margin, 20 trade call margin, and from then we extend it from 21 to 26. Call margin. Sorry, this place supposed to be 24, not 26. Supposed to be 23. For the $300 trading capital, supposed to be 23. Make sure it is 23. Make sure you check margin call limit. Make sure everything is 23. Now we are here. We are starting from 21 to 23, and our parameter 21 to is still the same. 3% drop. And the only thing that we are going to change the multiple buy-in ratio. So we are changing it to 1.1. I will explain 1.1. We are adding additional $50. I will explain 1.1. I will explain 1.1. If you've watched the previous video, you should have understand what is here. Anything that is here, you will multiply with the first buy amount. Our first buy amount is $15. 1.1 multiplied by $15. So let's see it. 1.1 times 15. So we are using 16.5%. 16.5 to buy the dip whenever it reach 21st, 16.5, 22nd, 16.5, 23rd, 16.5. If we multiply this 16.5 multiplied by 3, you notice that we are spending $49. The capital that we add is $50, and we are spending $49, which is okay. And having done that, the next thing we are going to do is to click on confirm and click on save. If you're a new trader that you want to start with $300, you will see start trading. You click on start to start. If you are existing, you want to upgrade from $250 to $300, you will not see start there. You will see pause. You don't need to do anything once you set up everything, but make sure that you save. So once you do that, you are on the right track, and we've prepared for 65% dip, because $250 is 56% dip, and $300 is 65%. What that means is, let's say the price of Bitcoin, one Bitcoin is $100. It's now deep up to 65%. It means the price crashed to $65%. 65% deep. It means in as long the price is no more than 65%, the dip is no more than 65%, we are still going to be in the market to buy the coin, to sell the coin. The robot will be doing everything for us. So, and I'm yet to do the distributed and take profit allocation from the 21st. 21st will be 2.7, 2.7, 2.8, and 2.9. 2.9. So that's that. Click on confirm. Voila. Click on save. So we are done. We are done. We are done. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about the trade setting for $350 trading capital. Thank you, and see you in my next video.